Of course, you've opted the take the easy way out of this one. You don't want to pick between the top three either. We've gone a trifecta for the punters pool. 1, 2, 3, 8 and 11. We're slightly in front. We've got 55 there. 1, 2, 3, 8 and 11. So that's our box trifecta, including the big three up top, the General, Chief De Beers and Al Mansour. And we've thrown in grey and gold and spend to try and add a little bit of value to that trifecta, Wilco.
Thanks very much, Paddy. Yes, it's going to be an intriguing race. Richard Freedman, your tip again?
Well, I like Spend. I think the top three have had their problems. I think General Nadim has been out of form and had a few problems last spring. Chief De Beers doesn't finish off many races outside of Doomben, and Al Mansour out of form as well. So I'm going for the young horse.
What about Sovereign State?
Well, Sovereign State's, you know, a horse that's probably not a top-class sprinter, but on his day can run well. But probably his form has been a little bit below par for this, I think.
Okay, so in the final analysis, you're going to stick with?
I'm going to stick with a bit of value, Spend. I think number 11, Spend, is the one to beat. So just hoping to knock the top ones off. But I'd be happy for racing if some of these good horses came to the fore again. Be good for racing.
Yeah, it certainly would be. All right, I'll stick with Pleasure Giver, number 6. This, of course, is the 5th race on the program, the AAMI Magic Millions Sprint. The big race, the 2-year-old Magic Millions, Honda Magic Millions, is coming up, race 7. And, of course, the raging hot favourite is Testarossa for that race. And here's the horse himself, being offloaded from the float. Winner of his 3 starts, Testarossa, a $45,000 purchase at last year's Magic Million sales. They've already knocked back an offer of $450,000 for the horse, and Dean Lawson has got him in fantastic shape, hasn't he?
He looks fantastic. You can see him there with the floating boots on the front legs just to protect them in the float, and the strapper there just leading him on course. He looks lovely and relaxed and walking loosely, and you know, you couldn't be happier if you're the trainer of that horse, Wilco. All
right, that's the favourite for the big race to come, the Honda Magic Millions. Let's take another quick look at market movers as Testarossa makes his way down to the stalls in preparation for the big race. What a skyline, look at that. Hardly a cloud in the sky, glorious, clear blue conditions. It is very warm. Sea breeze beginning to get up now, though, so the patrons here will welcome that. Can the favourite get up in this race? It remains General Nadim, although easing a fraction. Solid support for Al Mansour and Chief De Beers, and also for Spend at very good each-way odds. The Freedman money there is looking very confident. Neil